Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing our Birchbox for June 2021. Sorry, I had to think about what month we were in. It is 11:30 at night. I have coffee. I worked all day today. I just sort of touched up my makeup, but I didn't redo like my eye makeup. I just added like a little more blush, things like that. So, you know, this is just real life. I'm a real person. I work a normal job, 40 hours a week, and then I just do this for fun. So sometimes I'm gonna look like this, and you know what? That's okay. This is what I look like. I didn't do my hair, you know. This is just life. You may also hear my air conditioner going. Like I said, it's 11:30 at night. I live in Arizona and it is 82 degrees right now. So you're gonna hear my air conditioner. I don't have my fan on just because it messes with like lighting with like the blades going around. But yeah, I have my AC on. You're probably gonna hear it. Anyways, let's just go ahead and open this month's Birchbox. I am probably gonna cancel this box. I may be canceling a lot of subscriptions. I just have too much stuff and maybe go on a no-buy. I don't know what I'm going to do with this channel. I don't even know if I'm going to keep doing this. I don't think, you know, very many people don't really watch this, so I don't think anybody's going to miss me. If I do continue, it's probably not going to be unboxings anymore. It's just the same stuff over and over again. I don't know. Does anybody even like watching this? I feel like nobody likes watching this. So if you want me to keep doing these, let me know. If you don't, also let me know. If you have other ideas for other videos, let me know. I would love to do a declutter. But I have to do that during the day when my husband is not sleeping in there. So, I don't know. I don't know what I want to do, but I'm just having thoughts about this. I've been doing unboxings for 3 years now, and it just seems like that is not what people are really into anymore, and I'm really not into it that much either. I'm thinking more about like the environment and the impact of the environment, and I just have these boxes of stuff sitting here to give away. I need to give them away. I procrastinate. I'm just having a crisis right now of what I'm doing here. So anyways, thanks for listening to my little mini rant. Let's just go ahead and open this month's box. I'm not sure if I mentioned this is a $15 a month subscription. In here, there should be like 5 and 7 sample-sized beauty items. If you're new to my channel, I'm a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if at any time while I'm filming, if I don't know something's cruelty-free, I will have that displayed right here on the screen for you, as well as the estimated sample value. I do the math, do the research, all that stuff. Add it all up at the end and see if we're getting a good deal or not. Okay, so this month's box looks like this. It's a papaya, I believe. I've never had papaya. I don't know if I would like papaya, but I believe that's the fruit that's on the box. Okay, inside the box it has this little card right here with the theme, which is summer is here. On the back side it has everything as well as the full-size value of the product, so I'll be sure to mention that as well. And it looks like we have 5 products this month, so I'll just go ahead and pull out the first thing I'm seeing right on top. This first thing is from JECCA BLAC. Never heard of this brand. This is a highlighting primer for face. It says it is vegan and cruelty-free, and rose pearl is the color. So it says glow drops, prep and brighten your complexion with the healthy natural glow. Apply all over face using your fingertips just before makeup. So it is a dewy primer is what I'm getting from that. I'm gonna take off the safety seal. It's probably gonna explode everywhere. Just fair warning. There it goes. Oh God, I need to put the lid on ASAP. I hate that every time. All right, well, now that half of it is on my finger, there it is. I'll go ahead. Oh, this is way too much. So there it is on my hand. You can see it is shiny. Oh, why did so much come out? It is fragranced a little bit. It's very watery, which is sort of surprising for a primer. It has a little bit of a stick though. I'll use that. I definitely have been leaning more towards dewy primers right now, this time of year. Oh, that's real shiny. I don't think you can tell on my hands how. That's almost like highlighter level a little bit. Anyways, we'll use that. The value, full size of that would be 20 bucks. I don't know if I pay that for that. I can't tell you because I haven't tried it, but it seems a little high. All right, let's pull out the next thing. This is from GEORGETTE KLINGER, which I feel like maybe cruelty-free. I feel like I've tried this brand once before. but I can't quite recall, and the packaging is not telling me. This is an argan oil cleansing gel. So it says the perfect gel cleanser for all skin types when used twice a day. Purifying cleansing oils including argan, bergamot, and olive gently dissolve, wash away the excess oil in your skin. Okay, so that tells me right there that is not something I'm going to be using. I don't even know if I have any oil on my skin. My skin is just super dry. I maybe sometimes get oily like right here, but that's the extent of if I ever get oily. So this is gonna go probably to a friend because I don't think it has a safety seal. Oh, it does, so I can toss that into the giveaway pile that I just need to take pictures of and post and do. But that can go in there. The full size value of that is $24. Again, I don't think you need to be paying that much for a cleanser, personally. All right, moving right along. The next thing I'm going to pull out is from Peter Thomas Roth, which I'm not sure if they are cruelty free. I can't quite recall, and I don't know if I've ever tried anything from them. This is a cucumber gel mask. It's a extreme detox hydrator, refreshing, cooling, moisturizing gel, helps soothe the look of dry skin with cucumber extract. So that is definitely more up my alley, but it's kind of interesting in one box to get this for oily skin and this for dry skin. Interesting. If this is cruelty free, I will use it, but I just honestly don't know off the top of my head if they are. Full size is $55. I would not pay that ever for a face mask of any kind. So this is fun to get in a subscription box, but yeah, that's going to be a pass for me on the full size. All right, the next thing I'm pulling out is from R+CO, which is cruelty free. This is the Sun Catcher Power C Boosting Leave-In Conditioner. There's the packaging. Really cute packaging. I like this brand a lot. Their stuff smells really good. It's like a nice clean scent. I definitely use leave-in conditioners pretty frequently, so I will use that. I enjoy ones that are, well, this one's more of a pump than a spray. I thought it was a spray. But you can see it's got like the little pump sort of thing like that. But I'll give it a go. I'll give it a try. The full size of this would be $32. Again, I think you can get decent leave-in conditioners for way less than that. So nice to get in this box, but a little overpriced. All right, and one last item in here. This is from EMBRYOLISSE. Never heard of this brand. This is in French, mostly, but it says a multi-function nourishing moisturizer. It does not say anything about cruelty-free. It says tolerance dermatologically tested, but I don't know what that means. But it says moisturizer, makeup primer, moisturizing mask, milky makeup remover after shave cream. That's a lot of things for this. There's the packaging, kind of boring. That's just very interesting. So many things. A cleanser, a primer, like what are you? Seems sort of gimmicky to me. On the inside, it's like this little aluminum sort of packaging. Very medical looking, honestly. I don't know how I feel about that. How is something going to prime my face, but also remove makeup? That seems sort of counterproductive. So that's going to be a pass for me. I don't like the sound of that personally. Let's get a full size value on that. 28 bucks. Again, everything in here seems way overpriced. Maybe the primer is like the most reasonably priced at $20. But yeah, very, very shimmery. Still don't think you can tell in my hands how shimmery that is. But yeah, that's this month's box. I am kind of over this box personally. I have no makeup in here. I don't consider a primer makeup. That's more makeup prep or skincare, just not makeup to me. But it is probably the only thing, not the only thing, aside from the leave-in conditioner that I will for sure use. Everything else is sort of meh to me, a pass. I have to research the Peter Thomas Roth item. If it is cruelty-free, I will use it, but that weird makeup remover primer thing, French thing, this, not gonna use. And the, oily skin cleanser, also not gonna use. Okay, so that's everything I got in this month's box. Let me know what you guys thought down below. Do you guys like this box? Do you get this box? I feel like nobody talks about this box anymore. It's sort of past its prime. Nobody's into it. I don't really watch unboxing videos on YouTube, but let me know if you are seeing people still unboxing this, because I feel like I'm like, over it. Out of all the boxes I get 5 boxes right now. This is the one where I'm like for sure gonna cancel. I think I have a 3-month subscription right now. This might be the first month of it, and then after that I'm done with it. But let me know down below what you thought, and if you get this box, if you liked this month's box, let me know. Okay, that's all I have for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.